Hello everyone, welcome back to Longswitch Academy. This is your host Shubham. Today I'm back again with a new video. Today in this video I'm going to cover the practical aspect of our blog, creating a custom record entry form in LWC. For detail of the code and that its explanation, do visit to our blog on Longswitch Academy platform. You will find the link of the blog in the description section below. If you like this blog and this video tutorial or video walkthrough of the UI, then do let us know in the comment section below. If you have any suggestion, do that too. You can let us know in the comment section. So let's begin the walkthrough of our blog. So in that blog, we have created a record entry form using Salesforce LWC. And upon clicking of save button, we are also showcasing how you can have a notification alert using the ShowToast library of LWC. So that form is called LSA record form. Basically, it saves a new contact on Salesforce. So currently, what I did, I just dragged and dropped that custom LWC on this home page. So let's try using it. First, I'll do. I'll not enter anything in first name and last name, but I try hitting save. So the validation will come up that the last name is required because we have set it like that. So it is therefore it won't allow any bad entry on the last name of the contact because as you know in Salesforce, uh, you cannot save a contact without a last name. So let me create a new contact, Longswitch. Let me put my name, Shubham, and then SFDC, and I try hit save. Okay, when I hit the save, it says contact created successfully. So what I'll do, I go to the contact section and I can see that a new contact got created. So it is a simple reusable contact entry form that we created using Salesforce LWC with a basic validation. So you can also go through our blog on longswitchacademy.com and just get yourself familiar with this basic exercise. We are trying to bring into life basic practical examples for the freshcomers, for the freshers or the newcomers in the Salesforce ecosystem. So if you like our series or if you like our these small tutorial practical tutorials, then do let us know in the comment section below. Like, share, and subscribe to this video. Thank you very much. This is your host Shubham bidding a goodbye for this time. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing with Longswitch Academy.